Hello, pretty boy.
What the fuck is that?
Today's fight is Reptile versus Brock Lesnar.
Reptile? Is he like part of the Illuminati or something, bro?
Brock Lesnar is here. Where the hell is Reptile?
Reptile.
Holy shit! Reptile is coming down from the rafters. He's running like Homer Simpson is running to the buffet. Bro is literally flying. Look at that power. Brock Lesnar flies like my mother-in-law in a barbecue fight.
Now that is what I call an entrance, bruh.
Yeah.
Round 2. Fight.
Now Reptile doesn't have the element of surprise. And Brock Lesnar is fighting like he fought the nerds in high school.
Remember Reptile, no mercy. Just like E-Honda at the buffet.
Brock Lesnar picks up Reptile like a rag doll. I guess they don't teach ninjas wrestling. Now Reptile is tanking Brock Lesnar's elbows and punches with his stupid face.
Reptile, you bum! I'm not taking your soul! I'm sending you to Detroit!
No, not Detroit! No, please, not Detroit!
America, bruh! We can't lose, bruh! What is this? A woman? You need balls to enter the UFC ring!
Hello, pretty boy.
What the fuck is that? What's this? A woman in the UFC? Conover's gonna finish her faster than my Thai girlfriend, bruh!
Look at this! This is like sending John Jones to fight your grandma!
Yeah, she's useless, bruh.
Puny human! Watch your mouth or I will make Kitara give you a happy ending you will never forget! Kitara, finish him!
Yes, Daddy.
Oh my God!
Fucking Jong-un.
Sir, could you please reattach Connor's head for the next round? Thank you. I'm not saying shit this round! I got Shang Tsung standing behind me, breathing his netherworld garlic on me!
Why don't you just go back to North Korea, you communist bitch?
What did you say to me?
Bitch slap!
I think I'm in love, bruh. Kitana turns on my banana, bruh.
You attached my head to the wrong body! This is John Jones' body, for fuck's sake!
Nice pajamas, bro. Very 90s.
Get over here.
Don't fall for that trap pre-fight, Connor.
It's the Irish Warrior versus the illegal alien from the Netherrealm! And Connor starts this fight like an ice agent! North Korean super kick sends Connor into the fence! Connor goes for the Irish teeth remodeling kicks! Scorpion looks a little dazed after that head kick by Connor, but Scorpion fights back! Irish roll! Connor has some serious problems with the Ninja Pajamas Warrior! Last time Connor almost got beat up by the Teletubbies! Where the hell did he get that rope from? What the hell is this? Is this a fight or an execution?
Finish him.
Holy